In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix looks like something went wrong on TickTick app. If you're trying to use your TickTick app, but you are encountering this message where you're told please return to login page, but you can't use your app, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, the reason you are getting this most likely is because your TickTick app has experienced a glitch that needs to be fixed. Now, to fix this, we need to go to settings, and then from settings, go to apps. From apps, look for all apps or manage apps option. This will list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From the list, just search for TickTick, and if I tap on this, here is our app info page. From here, go to force stop and tap on OK. This will stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data here and choose clear cache and OK, and finally clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your TickTick app, now everything should be up and running without any issue. But should you still encounter a challenge with your TickTick app even after doing this, then you want to check and see that you are using the latest version of TickTick app, and for that go to Google Play Store or App Store and update your app to the latest version. However, should this still fail, then most likely the problem is with TickTick internal servers. For that, you'll need to wait and try again after some few minutes. Now everything should be up and running without any issue. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.